Yeah, hi, good morning. So again, another trading day. Yesterday, what we saw 9700 was being hit, but again, we basically receded from those levels. Again, it was June when we actually had hit above 9700, 9709 for the first time, and then we closed actually below 9700. So yesterday again, basically we tried to actually cross 9700. We have basically come close below that, and today we are going to start much lower, primarily because of negative Asia US Qs. So again, we're going to start on a softer note, but then the question here is, how's the overall trading shape looking like? The momentum clearly is in mid caps. You saw basically good buying in PSU banks, and I told you yesterday that PSU banks perhaps are approaching support levels, so that could be an upside reaction. We saw that solid actually buying positions being created in the FNO space, cash market. Now the next question is, how actually are the metals doing? Metals, they have been doing very good, stellar gains so far. And metals, we saw that because of commodity price resilience, the metal stocks, they actually are on a tear. I would say on a breakout. Solid performance from Nalco, Vedanta, Hindalco, Hindustan Zinc, and I think that momentum should continue. And there is no sign that the buying momentum basically is slowing down. Next question is, how are retail stocks actually looking like? How is the momentum in FMCG stocks? So there was slight cool off yesterday in FMCG stocks, but I would believe because other sectors are not looking that great, the FMCG and retail momentum actually should continue today or even Monday, anywhere between Friday and Monday. Those are looking quite good. ITC in particular, there is strong consensus upgrades there. I would believe the FMCG pack and also retail pack should continue to do well. So just watch out for those stocks. Then actually the next question comes is, how basically are the mid caps and small cap sector looking like? And I would think that those two pockets, they are going to outperform the large caps. So just watch out for that space. That should be a very interesting area to play. In addition to that, we talked about fertilizer irrigation in this week earlier, and as usual, fertilizer irrigation, they actually run in terms of small gaps. So again, so far the rally actually had concluded, I would say, in terms of strong gains. So then the attention actually shifts to steel sector also, which we have been talking since last few days. Tata Steel has been leading the rally. JSW Steel has followed up, broken out, registering good gains. So I think the steel momentum is looking quite good. So while the broader market in terms of the large caps would be looking slightly silent, you can actually expect the metals which have lower weightage in Nifty, steel again which have high but still comparatively relatively slightly lower weightage, those to be actually doing good. Next is NBFC space. Solid buying yesterday. Fair to expect PSU banks, NBFCs, they actually should be doing good. I think I would say NBFCs to be doing really good because of some sort of deal buzz around the Shriram IDFC that could have a rub-off effect on other NBFCs. But overall, again, if you look in terms of Manappuram Finance, solid breakout. You look basically at other NBFCs, they actually also looking really good. Some stocks actually which I was highlighting in the early show also is actually where actually buying was looking very good in terms of Maruti. Strong breakout after some days of consolidation, and that stock is really looking very good. And you would argue that yes, that company basically is gaining strength to strength because primarily the brokerage opinions are somewhere between 7,800 to 8,800. So perhaps stock is actually moving towards that. But again, the numbers perhaps auto numbers perhaps could be improving in the September quarter. So again, that stock is actually showing really good strong sentiment up move here. Apart from that, I think Reliance Industries is looking to consolidate till the time it is maintaining above 1400 levels. I think the stock will look safe. So in terms of trade strategies, where actually were the long positions being created, I will actually tweet also on some of those, but watch out for the NBFCs stocks I've highlighted. IDFC Bank in particular, watch out for that. When any sort of announcement comes on Saturday, it's trading at discount versus Shriram Transport Finance and Shriram City Union. So perhaps marginal safety is much more actually if you look in terms of strategy for IDFC Bank. So actually that pocket actually looks really good. So out and out, that appears to be the trade strategy for the day. Bond yields have been going up. So if you actually are looking for currency, currency weakness could be more likely. So just be prepared for that. And yes, have a good profitable day with cognizance that perhaps the start could be slightly weak, but there are no signs from the market data that traders believe that markets could crash. 150 point trading range 9550 to 9710. The recent bets are that from 9700 some pullback could be towards 9600, not actually or I would say more bets towards narrow range. So just play accordingly. So have a good trading day.